So in the last video, I went through this getting started with you and showed you what a concept builder looks like. Let's take a look at that one more time. Again, here at the top right, there's going to be these bubbles that fill in green solidly after you complete each page. I want to move on and show you what a mastery workspace will look like. And so I've opened module 1 for this student. And once you finish the getting started, it will automatically open module 1 for you. And when I click module 1, now I've got these 3 different things over here. I've got 3 components to module 1. Formal to informal, from informal to formal geometric thinking, readiness and distances on the coordinate plane, and distances on the coordinate plane. Now you'll see that I can't click and get into the third one here or the second one because they're locked. And they're locked because I need to do this one up here first. So once I complete this one, it will put me down here in this one and then the following one. And so again, here we get some key terms, some vocabulary here. If you'd like to review that, again, you can click them and it will have a explanation there for you. But we want to click Let's Go and get right to work on this next workspace. Now you can see this workspace here is a concept builder. These bubbles would fill in with green. And I'm actually going to pause this video and change the student's placement to something that is a mastery so that I can show you the difference. And again, if you are having trouble on this defining geometric figures, you can come over here. What's the name of this workspace again? Introduction to Geometric Figures. You can come over here, click this video, and you're going to see me doing the exact same problems that you are doing on this concept builder workspace. And so again, concept builder workspaces and my video will always have the exact same questions. I'll be back to demonstrate a mastery in just a moment. All right, so I've moved this student ahead to a mastery. You'll see that I'm still in this section formal, from informal to formal geometric thinking, but this workspace has been completed and I'm down here to this one. And it will tell you right here, this is a concept builder, this is a mastery, this is a mastery. Again, the key difference is that with concept builders, you're going to get the exact same questions that I got in my videos because they are trying to teach you something. And with mastery, you're going to get different questions than I get in the videos. It is still helpful to watch the videos though, because the type of question that I get is going to be the same as the type of question that you get, even though the exact question will be a little bit different. So I'm going to hit Let's Go, and every mastery starts with a little bit of a tutorial. And so it's going to tell me to begin the step-by-step example. And so I need to highlight the object shown blinking. And so this object right here, I'm going to highlight that. After the angle symbol, this angle can be labeled with a number since the numeric label 4 is marked on its interior. So this is going to be angle 4. Determine whether angle 4 has another name. Let's see if we can see how else we could name that angle. We could name that angle UDH. Yes, there is another name for that angle. We're going to name it angle UDH. Okay, now it wants us to select angle 3. It's going to be named angle 3. And then, yes, it does have another name. We can name that angle CDU. All right, so that's the end of our step-by-step example. We're going to go to the problem. And what I need you to notice is it's not, these bubbles look different than they did on the concept builder. And so this is another way for me to tell that I'm in a mastery. And I'm going to go ahead and get a couple of these correct, and you'll see as I start to get these correct that these bubbles will fill in. And so we're supposed to select the highlighted object. That's that. That is a ray. And rays are always named from the endpoint to the arrow, so ray OL. There is no other name for this. And so you'll see that these are kind of filling in up here as we go. So I'm done with this problem. And so there's more work to be done. Let's see. Oh, it says select angle 4. So we go here to select angle 4. Is there another name? Yes. ROL is one name for it. And so you can see again that these are filling in as I get questions correct. And if I start to miss questions, I'm going to get a little tutor that pops up to help me through them and help me make corrections. So again, this is the difference between a mastery and a concept builder. So if you were to click this here and watch my videos, you will see that I'm going to turn the sound off for this. Even the step-by-step example is different. I'm just going to fast forward a little bit so you can see what my first problem was. And you'll see my first problem is definitely different than the one that we're getting here. And so again, the work that I do here, though, is going to be helpful for you to watch because it will be the same type of problems that you get here, just not the exact same problem like it would be if it was a concept builder.